हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट स्टैंड पर हमने हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन पर प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस की थी। आज हम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम लेंगे ऑन द वर्टिकल सर्कुलर मोशन। प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन वर्टिकल सर्कुलर मोशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज body of mass m revolves on the vertical circular path. Let it is at angle 30 degree. This is A point, C and D. Radius of the circle is, find velocity and tension in string 8 point P. When the body moving with minimum for looping the loop, ना एक सर्कल पूरा करने के हिसाब से वो मिनिमम वेलोसिटी पे मूव कर रही है, तो व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी एट P and tension in string. Vp is equal to Va square minus 2gh. Given Va square is equal to 5gr and h to be find. This will be h. We know that the vertical distance between A and B is small r, and the vertical distance between P dash and B will be, we know that sine 30 will be P dash P double dash upon OP dash, that is, or P double dash is OP dash sine 30, that is R into 1 by 2, that is R by 2. So vertical distance between AB between A P is equal to AB plus P dash P double dash, that is equal to R plus R by 2, that is 3R by 2. Then velocity at P will be root of 5gr, 5gr minus 2 into g into h. What is h? H is here, AP is h, so h is 3r by 2, that is Vp is equal to root 2gr. Tension in string T is equal to m by r Va square minus 3gh plus gr, that is m upon r 2 10gr minus 9gr plus 2gr, that is m upon r into 3gr by 2, 3 mg by 2 Tp. This is the tension in string at point P. Other examples are, if the velocity at lowest point is just enough for looping the loop, the value of various quantities at different positions are as follows. First example is, the body is at lowest point. This is point A. Velocity V is here. Tension in a string in this direction. Acceleration is also towards the center. Radius is r. Then potential energy in this position is 0 because here h is considered as 0. Second is, velocity at lowest point, we have calculated it. It is root 5 gr, minimum velocity at lowest point for looping the loop. Equation, tension in upward direction towards the center and mass of the body will be downward. So T minus mg equal to centripetal force mv square upon r. In this position, T is equal to maximum, that is 6 mg at lowest point. Acceleration is 5g. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, that is 6g, not 5g, because 6 mg is the force. So acceleration is 6g. Tangential acceleration is 0 and a net is also 6g. In second case, body is at the horizontal, that it is at the diameter. Velocity vector is in upward direction. Centripetal force or tension in this direction towards the center. Acceleration is also towards the center. Here potential energy is mgh, means mgr. Here h equal to r. Velocity at this point we have calculated it. It is root 3 gr. Centripetal force is mv square r towards center. It is equal to tension also. T is equal to m upon r to 3 gr, that is 3 mg. So that acceleration Centripetal acceleration is 3g only, and tangential acceleration is g, and a net is equal to g square plus 3g whole square, that is equal to g root 10. In third case, body is in the position as given in figure at highest point. Centripetal acceleration towards the center. Velocity vector is tangentially. The potential energy mgh, that is mg into 2r, 2mgr. The velocity v, root gr only. Tension in string at highest point is 0. Centripetal acceleration is only g, and tangential acceleration is equal to 0. So net acceleration a net is only g.